What is up, everyone? This is Kevin, back at it again for Tuned in Washington. I apologize for the 4-month hiatus. Detailing season is finally coming to our slow season, so we're gonna be pumping out videos. Behind me is Project IS350. I have two of these things. This is the one that we picked up to do the blast pipes a couple months ago, and now we're doing the 4IS bumper conversion from the 2IS. Let's dive into it. Those of you that have been following us for the past few months know that we just picked up this IS350. It's a 2007, primarily do videos on it. We've done the blast pipe video, link in the description. The interior is a little rough. So we're missing the center climate control vent right there. Radio buttons are missing the chrome. The steering wheel does have some wear. This car does also have the dreaded sticky dash, so the previous owner put a dash mat, but hasn't covered edges of the dash, which looks like they've been chewed by a rat or other rodent. Missing the center console cover. Door panels also have the sticky dash issue that plagues the 2IS. As you can see, we're missing a lot of the material right here. Upper panels have a lot of melting. That just came off on my finger. Rear deck lid is all faded. And we're missing a center cap on one of the wheels. Now this IS350 may be pretty rough around the edges, but we did get it for a steal at a price of $500 running and driving. The previous owner didn't know of a no crank, no start diagnostics that this car was exhibiting. Ended up being the high pressure fuel pump sensor, which I made a short video on my personal IS350, the one before this. So we went ahead and threw in a new sensor, and now the car runs and drives fantastic. And today we are gonna be throwing on the 4IS bumper. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So what is the 2IS to 4IS conversion? And why do we keep saying all these acronyms? Well, to begin with, the 2IS stands for second generation Lexus IS. Behind me is a 2007 Lexus IS 350. This generation ranged from 2006 all the way to 2013. We're skipping 3IS because you've already seen my Nardo Gray Lexus IS 350 in my past videos. We're gonna do more videos on that as well. And we're skipping directly to a 4IS conversion right behind me. So 4IS is for Lexus IS models from 2021 to present day. And the reason why I am doing this video is I'm gonna show you how you can purchase an affordable used car such as this 2IS IS350 behind me. You can find these things somewhere in the range of $3,000 to $8,000 depending on miles and condition. This one being on the lower end because it is pretty beat up. And you're able to drive a car that looks almost as good to the everyday person with a 4IS conversion, because you're going to be updating the front end. There's an up-close video on the 4IS Lexus IS conversion bumper. Comes with everything you need, and this is a direct bolt-on swap to the 2IS. It's very similar to the 3IS, where you're just unclipping the bumper, which I'm going to show you. You're deleting the grille as well as the OEM fog lights. And we're going to go to the more iconic and present-day Lexus spindle grille. Pop. Undo a 10mm nut on each side of the bumper cover and pull. Same with this side as well. Now my Lexus IS350 is missing the lower engine shield, but typically you do have a plastic cover here where you're gonna release, I believe, 6 10mm nuts as well. Go ahead and unplug the fog light. Unplug the fog light on this side as well. On top, you're gonna see 2 10mm nuts on this side as well as this side, in addition to a 10mm nut on the center of the grille. Go ahead and remove those. We're able to remove the front bumper. if you're following me still, your 2IS should look like this now. And it's finally time to install the 4IS bumper. And all we're gonna do is simply reverse everything except with the new bumper. I find it easy to snap in the side panels first. Go ahead and just slap it in just like that. Same with the other side. You don't have to use too much force. Have the OEM Lexus logo right here. Worth mentioning that you also want to transfer over this weather strip, so that way it doesn't leave a gap between the hood and the new bumper itself. After some finagling, we are finally done with the conversion. We have now officially upgraded from the 2IS front end to the 4IS. Again, going back to the topic of affordability, especially with the cost of a new car being in the $50,000 range, this is a great option to purchase a vehicle in full cash for around $3,000 to $8,000. Spend about $500 on this 4IS conversion bumper, another $500 for paint at your local body shop, and drive around in a refreshed Lexus that mimics the look of a 2021 to present IS. There are a few things to make this look a bit more convincing. The main one would be upgrading these yellowed out OEM headlight housings for a set of V-lands. That's going to give you that signature Lexus Nike swoosh, as well as 3 LED pods. They do sell the LED strip that goes on this fog light cover, as well as a lower lip that gives you a more aggressive presence on the road. What do you guys think? You guys love it? Hate it? I want to hear your opinions in the comments down below. We're going to keep releasing videos on this Lexus 2IS. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video.